your health. She's got roaches. Really, really bad. She said they're everywhere in the house, but she's got children, and I'm really concerned about the kids. I don't blame you there, Mom. They carry all kinds of diseases. I'm heading right over. That's unacceptable. Yeah, and don't bring any back with you. All right. Bye.
He looks like he's praying.
Just one hand. There you go. There you go. It's all you. It's all yours.
My name is Rosie Manley, and I have a roach problem.
My office told me that you had some issues in the home, cockroaches and these little ones running around. You did the right thing calling us.
Yeah, they actually been sick here lately. They all and they registered
It's back on. There you go. Get it to the mouth.
About 10 times.
Don't let him go.
Wow.
He's got it. He's got it. Damn, he's got it.
Roaches are not good for asthma.